We live in an era of unprecedented technological advancement. Information spreads like wildfire across the globe, connecting us in ways unimaginable just decades ago. Yet, this digital revolution has also ushered in a new era of misinformation and manipulation. The internet, once hailed as a beacon of democratized knowledge, is now awash in a sea of falsehoods and fabrications. Social media platforms, designed to connect people, have become breeding grounds for echo chambers and the spread of harmful content. In this digital landscape, where truth and fiction blur, it is more important than ever to equip ourselves with the tools to navigate this complex terrain. The term deepfake is a portmanteau of deep learning and fake, capturing the essence of this technology. It trains on countless images to generate synthetic content indistinguishable from the real thing. Imagine a politician delivering a speech they never gave, or a celebrity in a fabricated video. Deepfakes can erode trust, manipulate opinion, and incite unrest. The results can be incredibly convincing. Detecting deepfakes is increasingly challenging, raising questions about truth in the digital age. Hello, this is Andy again from AI World. Today, we delve into the world of deepfakes and their real-world consequences, exploring how AI creates these convincing forgeries and the efforts to combat them. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of deepfakes. To truly grasp the power and potential danger of deepfakes, we must first understand the engine that drives them: deep learning. A subset of artificial intelligence, deep learning empowers machines to learn from data in a way that mimics the human brain, albeit on a far grander scale. Imagine a computer program capable of sifting through millions of images, identifying patterns and relationships that would escape even the most astute human observer. At the heart of deep learning are artificial neural networks, complex structures inspired by the interconnected neurons in our own brains. These networks consist of layers upon layers of interconnected nodes, each performing simple calculations. As data flows through the network, these nodes adjust their connections, learning to recognize patterns and make predictions. In the context of deepfakes, these neural networks are trained on massive datasets of images and videos. The algorithm analyzes these datasets, learning the subtle nuances of a person's facial expressions, mannerisms, and even their voice. It's like teaching a computer to mimic a person's every move, but instead of physical movements, it's replicating their digital essence. Creating a deepfake is like weaving a tapestry of digital deception. The process can be broken down into key steps. First, gather a massive dataset of the target individual. This data trains the deep learning algorithm. More data means a more convincing deepfake. The algorithm then generates the deepfake, superimposing learned characteristics onto a different video. The final product can be incredibly convincing. The world of deepfakes is not static. It's in a constant state of evolution. Algorithms are more sophisticated, datasets larger, and tools more accessible. Once for researchers, now anyone with a computer can create deepfakes. Early deepfakes had visible artifacts, but now flaws are subtle. Real-time deepfakes and audio cloning blur reality and fabrication. This evolution poses significant challenges for society. We must learn to discern fact from fiction in this digital age. Nowhere is the potential for deepfakes to wreak havoc more apparent than in politics. The ability to manipulate video and audio footage of political figures presents a chilling threat to democratic processes. Imagine a deepfake swinging an election or sparking international conflict. This is not science fiction. It's a very real possibility. One infamous example is the doctored video of Nancy Pelosi, making her appear intoxicated. The video was debunked but had already been viewed millions of times. A Belgian political party released a deep fake of Donald Trump mocking Belgium's stance on the Paris Climate Agreement. The video, labeled as fake, still sparked outrage. These examples underscore the threat deepfakes pose to political discourse. We must develop critical thinking skills to discern fact from fiction in this digital age. Section 2. The rise of the AI impersonators, scams and fraud. Deepfakes are being used for scams and financial fraud. They create convincing impersonations, preying on our trust. Imagine a distress call from a loved one, only to find it's a deepfake. This is now a chilling reality. Scammers used deepfake audio to impersonate a UK energy company's CEO. The CEO transferred €220,000, believing it was his superior. Deepfakes also create fake social media profiles to spread misinformation. Vigilance in digital interactions is crucial. Verify communications through multiple channels to avoid scams. Section 3. Beyond malice. Deepfakes in art and entertainment. Deepfakes aren't inherently malicious. This technology is being used in creative ways, blurring the lines between reality and fantasy. From resurrecting historical figures to creating immersive cinematic experiences, deepfakes push storytelling boundaries. A compelling example is recreating deceased actors for posthumous performances. In Rogue One, a young Carrie Fisher was digitally recreated using deepfake technology. The result was a poignant and realistic performance. Deepfakes create interactive museum exhibits, revolutionizing how we learn about history. This highlights the dual nature of deepfake technology. It can be a powerful tool for creativity, storytelling, and education. Section 4. When seeing isn't believing, the erosion of trust. Deepfakes strike at the heart of our information ecosystem, eroding trust in a world awash in misinformation. When we can't believe our eyes and ears, discerning fact from fiction becomes difficult. This erosion of trust impacts individuals, institutions, and society. Deepfakes can sow doubt in relationships. Imagine receiving a video of a loved one behaving out of character. Even if debunked, doubt can damage relationships. This extends to our interactions with the wider world, making us susceptible to scams and manipulation. For institutions, deepfakes threaten credibility and legitimacy. A deepfake could discredit a journalist or smear a company's reputation. In a polarized era, deepfakes further erode trust in institutions. The societal implications of deepfakes are concerning. As technology advances, it could lead to a post-truth world. This could weaken democratic institutions and increase social unrest. Addressing deepfakes is about preserving our shared reality. While deepfakes hold intriguing possibilities, their potential for misuse casts a long shadow. The ability to fabricate reality raises profound ethical concerns, particularly when weaponized for malicious purposes. Imagine deepfakes discrediting political opponents, inciting violence, or manipulating financial markets. This is a very real threat we must confront. Authoritarian regimes could use deepfakes to discredit journalists and activists, creating a chilling effect on free speech. Extremist groups could spread hate speech, further polarizing communities. The rise of deepfakes poses risks to national security. Imagine a deepfake video of a world leader declaring war. Such fabrications could have devastating consequences, potentially triggering international conflict. Confronting this threat requires a multi-pronged approach, encompassing technological advancements in detection, legal frameworks to deter malicious use, and fostering media literacy and critical thinking. The rise of deepfakes coincides with an era already grappling with misinformation and the erosion of trust. In a digital world where information spreads rapidly, deepfakes threaten our shared reality and the foundations of a well-informed society. When seeing is no longer believing, how do we determine truth? How do we rebuild trust? The proliferation of deepfakes could lead to a chilling effect on free speech. Imagine a world where individuals hesitate to speak out for fear their words will be manipulated. This could stifle dissent, limit public discourse, and undermine democratic values. Moreover, constant exposure to manipulated content could lead to deepfake fatigue. People may become desensitized, dismissing even genuine content as fake. This erosion of trust can have far-reaching consequences, making it difficult to address societal challenges and hold individuals accountable. The implications of deepfakes extend beyond the digital realm, impacting our relationships, trust in institutions, and understanding of truth. It is imperative to develop awareness of this technology and strategies to navigate this evolving landscape responsibly. Deepfakes represent a double-edged sword, showcasing the power and peril of synthetic media. They highlight incredible advances in AI, creating hyper-realistic content previously unimaginable. This technology holds exciting possibilities in entertainment, education, healthcare, and research. Imagine using deepfakes for personalized learning experiences or realistic training scenarios for medical professionals. The potential applications, when used ethically, are vast and inspiring. However, the same technology carries significant risks. The ability to create synthetic media raises profound ethical questions about authenticity and trust. As deepfakes become more sophisticated, distinguishing between real and fake becomes challenging. The power of synthetic media lies in its ability to both enhance and deceive. We must approach this technology with a nuanced understanding of its benefits and risks. Fostering a critical dialogue about its ethical implications is essential for responsible development and deployment. The rise of deepfakes presents a complex ethical minefield demanding careful navigation. Establishing ethical guidelines, legal frameworks, and societal norms is crucial to promote responsible use. This requires the engagement of policymakers, educators, researchers, and the public. Fostering media literacy is a crucial step. Equipping people with critical thinking skills to question online content's authenticity empowers them as discerning consumers. Technological advancements in deepfake detection are essential. Researchers are developing algorithms to identify inconsistencies in fabricated content. These detection technologies offer hope for robust methods to verify online media's authenticity. Legal frameworks must evolve to address deepfakes' unique challenges. Enacting laws that criminalize malicious use while protecting freedom of expression is vital. Navigating this legal landscape requires careful consideration of ethical principles and societal values. Detecting deepfakes is akin to chasing a moving target as the technology becomes more sophisticated. Algorithms designed to create deepfakes constantly evolve, mimicking human nuances better. This evolution poses a challenge for developing reliable detection methods. Early deepfakes had telltale signs like unnatural blinking or lighting inconsistencies. Advanced technology makes these flaws harder to detect. Deepfakes spread rapidly on social media, reaching vast audiences before debunking. Automated detection tools are needed to flag potentially fake content. Even advanced detection algorithms can be fooled. Researchers develop new techniques, but creators adapt to circumvent detection. This arms race between creation and detection requires dynamic research and development. Adaptive algorithms that evolve alongside deepfake techniques are necessary. Constantly updating detection methods is crucial to stay ahead. The battle against deepfakes is a technological arms race. Researchers develop detection methods, but creators counter-advance. The adversarial relationship between creators and detectors is a key challenge. Detection methods have a limited shelf life as creators find new ways to outsmart them. AI's inherent limitations add to the challenge. Deep learning algorithms can be fooled by subtle manipulations. Detection algorithms trained on specific datasets may struggle with diverse faces. A dynamic approach to research and development is necessary. Static solutions are ineffective long-term. Adaptive algorithms that learn and evolve are essential. Constantly refining detection methods is crucial to stay ahead. Spotting the imperfections current detection methods. Researchers have made strides in detecting deepfakes. Methods focus on identifying subtle imperfections and inconsistencies. No single method is foolproof, but combined techniques provide confidence. Analyzing lighting, shadows, and reflections is a common approach. Deepfakes struggle to replicate these details accurately. Detection algorithms flag inconsistencies, suggesting manipulation. Analyzing blinking patterns is another method. Humans have natural blinking patterns hard to replicate in deepfakes. Detection algorithms identify anomalies in blinking. Audio-based detection methods analyze speech patterns and vocal tics. Deepfakes struggle to replicate these nuances. Analyzing audio for inconsistencies helps flag potential deepfakes. Combining visual and audio cues enhances detection accuracy. Ongoing research aims to improve these methods. The future of detection. A multifaceted approach. No single solution will suffice in tackling deepfakes. A multifaceted approach combining technology, legal frameworks, and media literacy is needed. Researchers explore new frontiers in deepfake detection. Developing robust algorithms to identify subtle inconsistencies is crucial. Blockchain technology can create tamper-proof records of digital content. Legal frameworks must evolve to address deepfakes challenges. Enacting laws that criminalize malicious use while protecting freedom of expression is vital. Striking a balance is crucial to mitigate harms while upholding rights. Fostering media literacy and critical thinking is essential. Educating people about deepfakes' impact empowers them as discerning consumers. Promoting media literacy creates a resilient information ecosystem. A collective effort is needed to navigate this evolving landscape responsibly. The crossroads of technology and truth. Deepfakes blur the lines between reality and digital illusion. This ability to manipulate media presents profound challenges. Navigating an information landscape saturated with synthetic media is difficult. The rise of deepfakes compels us to confront the fragility of our information ecosystem. It forces us to acknowledge our senses' vulnerability to deception. However, this is a time for awareness and critical thinking. We must approach deepfakes with caution and foresight. Recognizing both their potential benefits and risks is essential. A balanced perspective is crucial for responsible navigation. Empowering ourselves in the age of synthetic media. The challenges posed by deepfakes are significant, but not insurmountable. We can harness innovation and collective action to mitigate risks. Empowering ourselves with media literacy is crucial. Developing critical thinking skills to question online content's authenticity is essential. Being wary of content that confirms biases and seeking multiple perspectives is important. Technological advancements in deepfake detection are essential. Researchers develop algorithms to identify inconsistencies in fabricated content. Detection technologies offer hope for robust methods to verify online media. Fostering a culture of critical thinking is imperative. Educational institutions, news organizations, and social media platforms play a role. Promoting media literacy equips individuals to navigate this landscape responsibly. Join the conversation, stay informed. The conversation about deepfakes and their impact is just beginning. Engaging in a thoughtful dialogue about ethical implications and safeguards is crucial. This conversation must take place in homes, schools, workplaces, and communities. Sharing perspectives and working collaboratively to find solutions is essential. Staying informed about deepfake technology and detection methods is vital. Well, folks, that is all we have for today. Till next time, stay safe. If you found this exploration insightful, like this video and subscribe to AI